Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a detailed look at the 2025 Mazda 3, one of the most refined and fun to drive compact cars on the market. Mazda continues to push the envelope with this car, blending premium design, sharp handling, and strong efficiency into a package that still manages to stand out in a crowded segment. Whether you're considering a stylish commuter or a budget-friendly alternative to luxury brands, the new Mazda 3 is definitely worth a closer look. Let's start with the exterior. Mazda's design language stays true for 2025, with subtle updates that keep the car feeling fresh. The Mazda 3 still has that sleek, sculpted body that looks like it was carved from a single piece of metal. The front grille has been slightly revised with a new mesh pattern, and the LED headlights now have a slimmer, more aggressive design. Around back, the taillights have been given a sharper light signature, and there's a new rear bumper design that adds a touch of sportiness. Mazda also introduced two new paint colors, one of which is a deep metallic red that really brings out the curves of the body. Whether you go for the sedan or the hatchback, the Mazda 3 looks upscale and athletic from every angle. Under the hood, you've got two engine options. The base engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that makes 191 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with either a 6-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual on select hatchback trims. The top engine is a turbocharged 2.5-liter that cranks out up to 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque when using premium fuel. That's a lot of power for this segment, and it gives the Mazda 3 real punch when you step on the gas. All-wheel drive is available, which is still rare in compact sedans and hatchbacks. The turbo model with AWD is especially impressive, combining performance and grip in all kinds of weather. Step inside and you'll find one of the best interiors in its class. Mazda uses high-quality materials across the board, and everything feels solid and well put together. The design is clean and minimal, with just the right amount of buttons and knobs for a user-friendly experience. The seats are supportive and comfortable for long drives, and the cabin stays quiet even at highway speeds. Higher trims offer leather upholstery, heated front seats, a power sunroof, and dual-zone climate control. Space in the back seat is a little tight for taller adults, especially in the hatchback, but it's manageable for short trips or younger passengers. Technology in the 2025 Mazda 3 has also been updated. The infotainment system is controlled through a rotary dial on the center console, and it's displayed on a crisp 10.25-inch screen. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now wireless on most trims, and there's an available Bose premium sound system that delivers great clarity and depth. A wireless charging pad, USB-C ports, and a full-color head-up display are also available on higher trims. Everything works smoothly and feels like it belongs in a more expensive car. Safety features come standard with Mazda's iActive Sense suite. That includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Higher trims also offer a 360-degree camera, rear cross traffic alert with braking, and traffic sign recognition. The Mazda 3 continues to earn top scores in crash tests and feels secure and confidence-inspiring behind the wheel. Driving is where the Mazda 3 really separates itself from the competition. The steering is precise, the suspension is tuned just right, and the car stays flat and composed in corners. It doesn't matter if you're on a twisty road or a morning commute. This car always feels engaging. The turbo engine adds serious speed, but even the base engine offers a fun and refined drive that most rivals just can't match. The 2025 Mazda 3 proves that compact cars can still be exciting, stylish, and loaded with value. If you want a car that feels like more than just transportation, this one should be high on your list. It's practical enough for daily life, but refined enough to satisfy any driving enthusiast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real car reviews just like this. See you in the next one.